Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both your Qgis project and your device so data collects cleanly. First, save the project into one folder and export every layer into a single geo package. This prevents broken links. Once done, optimize symbology and set the project CRS to match your GPS for accuracy. Make sure Qfield is installed and has storage and location permissions on your Android device, because without those, it cannot read the geo package or record coordinates. You now transfer and configure the project inside Qfield so fieldwork runs smoothly. Copy the entire project folder to the device storage, maintaining relative paths, then open the Qgis in Qfield to verify forms and layer visibility. Once open, switch to offline base maps if needed and set snapping and digitizing options to avoid bad topology. Test a quick edit to confirm attribute defaults and capture mode behave as expected. This prevents repeated fixes after you leave the field. You finish by collecting data carefully and syncing it back without losing work. While in the field, save often and use GPS averaging or external GNSS when precision matters. Mark features clearly in forms so you can filter later. When done, copy the updated geo package back to your desktop and open in Qgis. Avoid merging conflicts by working on one copy at a time. If something goes wrong, check storage permissions. Confirm relative paths are intact, and validate the geo package.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.